Welcome to Eshipsol training on how to create products with variants in English and Arabic language. In this video you are going to learn how to create product with variants in English and Arabic language. As a recommended process, we encourage all our users to first set up their products in English language, and then add the translation for the required English text in Arabic. Hence in this video we will first add the products in English language, and then we will add the Arabic translation for the required English text. Upon login you will see your store dashboard. Click on Manage Inventory menu from the side menu, and then click on Products menu. Click on Create Product button. Enter the product name. Enter the product description, if you wish to. By entering product description, you can describe your products to the customer on your online store. You can skip this field if you wish to. Select a category that matches your product. Select the subcategory that corresponds to your product. To upload product images, click on the Drop Files to Upload Images box. Select one or multiple product images, and click OK button. Enter the product selling price in the selling price field. You can skip all the other fields, and click on Save and Continue button. Upon saving you will be navigated to the Variants page. To add variants to the product, select Yes from the drop-down menu. We can now see the fields to add options. In the option field you will be entering your product option. The product option will be dependent on the products that you sell. For example, if you are selling clothes, then you will have different sizes of the product. In that case you will enter the option text a size. By default here it is entered a size. Next, for the option value, you will need to enter the value corresponding to the option. In our example we have entered the option a size. So the option values we may want to enter would be as small, medium and large. To enter option value, enter the text in the option value field. I will enter the text as small. Then press semicolon from your keyboard, as I have entered here. By adding semicolon you can now add another option value, so let's now enter medium text with semicolon at the end. If your product has more options, then you can click on Add Another Option. In our example, let us add another option, to give different color. The text is pre-filled for my example. This you may need to change as per the product that you are selling. To continue with our example, let's add the option value for color option as red, and then enter the semicolon character from the keyboard. Now let's add another color as blue and enter semicolon character. Upon adding the options you can see the variant table is getting updated with the values, as shown here. You can, if you wish to change the price, update the SKU, barcode, quantity columns for each of these rows. Our current platform supports adding 3 options. The application will not allow to add more than 3 options. Once you are done with adding the options, click on Save and Continue button. Upon saving you will be navigated to the online search information page. Most of the fields on the online search information page will be pre-filled. However, if you wish to, you can edit these fields. In this video I am going to keep the fields as it is. Click on Save and Publish button. After successfully creating the product in English language, you will be navigated to the product list page. Look for your added product. Click on the Translate icon for the product in the Actions column, as shown over here. From the Select Language pop-up, select Arabic language, and click on Submit button. Here you will need to enter the product title and description in Arabic. Let us enter the Arabic text in the product title. Now let us enter Arabic text in the product description. Click on Save and Continue button. These are the required steps for creating a product with variants on Eshipsol for English and Arabic language. You can do the same steps by creating the products first in Arabic language by switching your language mode in application. However, for product URL sharing and for your website search engine optimization, we recommend you first set up the products in English, and then add the translations in Arabic as shown in this video. As mentioned in the previous lesson, adding variants is an optional step. If you wish to, you can skip this step and create the product with basic information.